On an Electrolux hose handle, either a canister or a central vacuum, made in the last about 30 years, if the wand no longer stays in, if it comes out all the time, that means this latch is broken and needs to be replaced. Here's what you do. There are screws hidden underneath these little caps, so you can pop them off. One there. One there. Looks like just the two. Now this one's old enough that it uses a small Phillips head. Many of them made since this one will use a Torx bit, a little star-shaped screwdriver. And that looks like that. Mine's pretty worn. Okay, I have my screws out. They're both the same size. And now I can lift up on here. Whoops, okay. So this just flew out on me as I opened it. I'm not taking this all the way off, shouldn't have to, but this is the piece I want to replace. So this one, as it happens, is not broken, so I'm going to put it right back in. But when you see a broken one, you'll see that this little tooth part at the end is missing. It's broken off. So you'll take the new one and you'll set it in here. And that's how that's supposed to look. Now you can put this cover right back down. And I'm having to kind of wiggle this a little bit to get it to line up. There we go. You see how that just came together? I'm going to check that these are still working. And then my screws go back in. Whenever you reassemble something, you want those screws to thread in to where they were threaded in before. So if you turn the screwdriver backwards until it clicks, that lets the screw find its old screw threads, and it helps avoid wearing out the plastic where the screw goes into. Not that that's a big deal when you're just taking it apart once, but anything you take apart over and over again, click, back in. These little decorative caps should just snap back on the screws. And you're back in business. Thanks for watching.